Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be trying Dark and Lovely Curl Defining Cream Glaze today for the first time. So if you'd like to see more, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to check out my accessories. They are from lavidarosastyle.com, which is my website. The link will be down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So I'm starting with freshly washed hair, and I'm going to be using Cantu to layer on my hair first because it needs a leave-in conditioner before I add any sort of styler. Then I'm going to take some oil. This is olive oil and just a mixture actually. And I'm going to apply that as a second layer. Finally, we're going to add Dark and Lovely Au Naturale Anti-Shrinkage Curl Defining Cream Glaze. And I was very surprised to find that this glaze was also somewhat moisturizing. So I apply the last layer to my hair and make sure to cover it from root to tip. And then I'm going to detangle with a wide tooth comb. And finally twist from the root all the way to the end. I just basically continued this entire process over my entire head, and the cream was super duper creamy, but it was also very light. And so once I reached the end, I had some very moisturized twists. The next day, I was taking down my twists, and as I was taking them down, you could definitely see a defined curl. Definitely, they were springy, and they felt soft, though, at the same time. They weren't like a hard, crunchy sort of twist, because I know sometimes twists can feel a little, have that crunchy feel, but they felt soft but defined. At this point, I'm breaking those pieces apart because I like more volume than I do definition, and I like a full afro type of look, so I'm just going to break everything apart. Once I do that, I'm going to take an afro pick and pick it out. And I want to say, even after all that, I still have plenty of visible curls, and I still have plenty of length on my hair as well. So here's my hair picked out and styled. Very normal twist out for me. I do see that my hair is very soft and the length is there as well as the curls, like I mentioned before. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put on my makeup, go about my day. Today is supposed to be like a rainy, wet day, so I think this is a good time to test whether this product works or not. Am I going to keep my curls? Am I going to keep my length? So stay tuned for the results. Okay, guys, so it's 12:42. And today was the perfect day to try out an anti-shrinkage formula because it rained today. And that's usually when my hair shrinks up the worst. And I've been through, it was pretty much rainy all today. I was out and about from 9:30 this morning to around 5 o'clock. And I even took a nap and went to sleep. I don't feel like my hair has shrunk at all. Like, I feel like my hair is still pretty lengthy. I haven't really had to pick it out too much. Usually when it's weather like this, I have to pick it out during the day. And I really didn't have to do too much of that. And then on top of all that, I was scared it was going to make my hair feel hard. But my hair feels so soft. And I really think that it's because when you use a styler, you need a conditioner underneath. And for a long time, I didn't know that. And so now ever since I use a conditioner underneath the styler, you get those curls and definition without drying your hair out and it feeling brittle. So my hair feels completely soft. I still get my curls, and my hair did not shrink at all on a rainy day. And usually my hair shrinks at least a little bit, and I really don't see too much shrinkage at all. So I really do think this product works. I would definitely recommend this to naturals. as long as you layer a leave-in conditioner underneath, I feel like it would be awesome for you keeping your length throughout the day, because I know that's like a thing for naturals. We like to keep our length. We like for our hair to look the same way at the end of the day that it looked at the beginning of the day. And I would definitely give this a try because this really works. I'm definitely going to use this on days where I know it's rainy, because I know my hair is going to keep its shape. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Have you ever tried this product? Are you going to? I would love to hear your opinions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.